If you love olives but worry about them going bad, here's what you need to know. Unopened, canned, or jarred olives can last 12 to 18 months, while opened or fresh olives typically last about 2 weeks in the fridge. To maximize their shelf life, store unopened olives in a cool, dark place and keep opened olives in an airtight container with their brine. To tell if olives have spoiled, look out for a foul smell, fuzzy appearance, or off taste. If you can't consume all your olives in time, freezing them for up to 6 months is an option. Enjoy olives either as a snack, in pasta salads, on pizza, or in sandwiches for an extra burst of flavor. When purchasing, select olives in undamaged packaging and consider whole olives for better flavor retention. With over 1,000 varieties, olives offer a delightful range of flavors, making them a versatile addition to your meals.